The best way to avoid spread of coronavirus is to wash your hands.
Wash your hands!
Our hands are the front lines in the war against COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends washing hands with soap and water as the top way to clean our hands. But why soap? Soap chemists calls it amphiphiles. These are molecules that have a dual nature. One end of the molecule is attracted to water and repelled by fats and proteins. The other side of the molecule is attracted to fats and is repelled by water. It's this dual nature chemical construction that makes soap so effective. Think about what happens when you pour some oil into water. The oil pools up in a mass that floats. That's because fats don't mix with water. But mix some soap into the oil and water and the oil will disperse. Now, lucky for us, coronaviruses are a bit like the oil bits of genetic information encoded by RNA surrounded by a coat of fat and protein. And grease balls, no matter the size, are the exact type of thing soap loves to annihilate. The soap takes care of the virus much like it takes care of the oil in the water. One side of the soap molecule buries its way into the virus's fat and protein shell. Fortunately, the chemical bonds holding the virus together aren't very strong, so this intrusion is enough to break the virus's coat. You pull the virus apart, you make it soluble in water, and it disintegrates. Then the harmless shards of virus get flushed down the drain. The trick is this all takes a little time to happen, and that's why you need to take at least 20 seconds to wash your hands. First off, your skin is wrinkly, and it takes time for soap to penetrate into all the tiny folds and demolish the viruses that lurk within. Then the soap needs a few moments to do its chemical work. You do need a bit of time for all the soap to interact back and forth with the virus particle. Sanitizer might feel like a modern-day scientific and more clinical upgrade to soap. But I'm here to tell you that soap, all sorts of it, liquid, solid, honeysuckle-scented, the versions inexplicably only marketed to men or women, is a badass, and even more routinely effective than hand sanitizer. We should be excited to use it, as much as possible. That's because when you wash your hands with soap and water, you're not just wiping viruses off your hands and sending them down the drain.